took a lot of applying to make it show up on my skin. I don't like the colors, so I'll be passing it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hello beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. So this is Ipsy Glam bag for the month of August 2020, and also there is going to be a giveaway, so stay tuned. And before we dive in, welcome, and I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be part of this YouTube family. And to do that, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and also like this giveaway a picture on my Instagram, and also leave your Instagram handle such that I can contact you. Giveaway would be this bag right here. So this is the Ipsy bag, the one in yellow, and that has the Ipsy on this. And the first product that you would be getting is this one right here. So this is Ipsy Cosmetics, and this is the lip gloss, and the price on this beauty is $16, and this is in the shade Trick. And the next beauty is this one right here. So this is Dr. Brand Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and I really love this mask. So I thought one of you guys would really love it, so I did include that in my giveaway. And price on this beauty is $52. And the next beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is the Hunger Games the exhibition Girl on Fire collection, and this is a smudge proof liquid eyeliner. And next beauty that we have part of this giveaway is this one right here, and this is the Calendula Juicy Cream, and this is the sample size. And next we have this beauty right here. So this is Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Mask, and the price on this one is $3. So altogether it's value of $85 plus. So I'm really excited for this giveaway, and one of you guys would be getting all of these products. Let's dive into this month's Ipsy Glam bag unboxing, the most awaited. I have the add-ons for this month. Okay, I'm going to reveal that at the end of this unboxing video. And this is the bag that we got. This is like so pretty. I love it. So, and when like compared to my Ipsy Glam bag plus and this bag, I definitely love this bag. So let's see. And good thing is that like all of the products for this month did fit in this one. That's even exciting. So this is this month's card. The first beauty that I have is this one right here. So this is Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts. So this is the Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream, All Day Moisture, and it's enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Let me sniff it. I just want to see how it smells. Wow, it smells so good. On this beauty, this lightweight formula gets your skin hydrated and soft. Hemp oil is the star ingredient in this body cream, and it's so good for your skin. It moisturizes without clogging pores and balances your skin oil production. Now, let's get to the fun part, that is the juicy reviews. Okay, here we go. The first one. I love Hemp's. I love their body lotion, truly. My skin feels so smooth after about 1 week of use. That's awesome. The next one says, one of the best lotions I have ever used. Creamy, smooth, and has a great fragrance. The next one says, the smell is kind of weird, but the hydration is fab. Super rich moisture. That is awesome. So looks like people do love it. And next, let's see what we have. So this one is Kalido Cosmetics. It's an ultra fine pearl illuminator. So this is how it looks. And this is the product that we are looking at. This is so pretty, you guys. About this beauty, this is Kalido Cosmetics Ultra Fine Pearl Illuminator in Utopia. Get ready to glow well beyond summer. A few sweeps of this shimmery highlighter give new meaning to the phrase lift from within. This is ultra fine champagne colored pigments catch the light to give skin that looks gorgeous in pics. The juicy reviews. The first one. Girl, this will have you glowing. It's so good. Okay, the next one says, this was awesome and I love the way this shimmers. Simply beautiful. Awesome, looks like people do love it. Okay, so far two good products in a row. Okay, next we have this beauty right here. So this is Latte London AM to PM and Sunburst. And this is the eyeliner, retractable eyeliner. And this is cruelty free and vegan. About this beauty, finally an eyeliner that actually requires no touch-ups. This long wearing formula looks fresh from your morning coffee to happy hour to beyond. Now the juicy reviews. Okay, the first one. This was cute but doesn't really show up much regardless of what's under it. Took a lot of applying to make it show up on my skin. Okay, looks like this doesn't show up much. Yeah, I thought so because this is the shade we are looking at, so I thought this wouldn't show up. Okay, the next one says, like the shade, but it didn't last. A couple hours later and the color was gone. Okay, so those are the reviews about this beauty. So yeah, looks like people are not so happy about the results of this product. So it didn't last or it didn't show up, so that's what the main concern. Next beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow. Let's see, so we got 4 eyeshadows. That's really pretty, these colors. And for this small size, this is like really travel friendly. Okay, let's see about this beauty. Say hello to the 4 Camo inspired matte and shimmer shades that you will want to wear everywhere this fall. Use the metallic shades to give your eyes sheen and sparkle, and use the matte shade to create depth and dimension. So they are like 3 shimmery ones, like 1, 2 and 3. These are shimmery and this is the matte shade. Okay, now the juicy reviews, the fun part. The first one. The shades are very basic. I have already gotten so many like this. Okay, the next one says, I don't like the colors, so I'll be passing it on to someone, but it is nicely pigmented and long lasting. The next one says, when I saw the colors, I was not sure I would like them, but they look amazing once applied. Love the shimmer. Next, we have our last product, that is this one. This is a really big size, you guys. This is Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser, and it has got like 1.5% of salicylic acid acne treatment. Okay, and I'm really interested about this one too. And about this beauty, let's see. And this is a clarifying cleanser. This acne fighting cleanser is a real deal. The powerful gel formula clears up existing blackheads, whiteheads, and cysts and prevents new ones from forming too. And the 1.5% salicylic acid releases continuously to keep pores clean and fight acne for hours even after rinsing it off. And this is made with green tea extract. This cleanser calms irritation and reduces redness for clear, healthier looking skin. Now the juicy reviews. Okay, the first one. Smells fresh and makes my face feel good with no burning. Yeah, that's the thing. So usually the salicylic acid, when I put it on my face, that do burn. So if that doesn't burn, what could I ask for? Okay, the next one says digging this cleanser, especially since I have just started a ritual facial care. Okay, the next one, awesome face wash, not over drying and is a good cleanser for acne prone skin. That's awesome. Now the add-ons. Okay, as you guys already know, like I have already brought this like couple of times already, so I don't want to miss this even this time. It's nothing other than this one right here. So this is this beauty. So this is Luna Sleeping Night Oil from Sanderali. It is retinol plus blue tansy, and this really works for me, and then my skin loves it. This is like one of my holy grail product. The next add-on we have is these crunchies benefits. 1 2 3 4 5, and my hair is going to thank me for buying this for sure. It's like really nice material, kind of satin, right? So I really love it. So my hair is going to love it too for sure. So that is that. So hopefully you love this video, and please let me know in the comments below what are your products for this month's Ipsy Glam bag. And please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.